Good evening, friends. Madhu this side, and today I'm going to discuss on valuable insights on Google Ads in 2024 because now the next 15 days we will be entering the new year. So today we will be discussing new tips, strategies, and best practices. All right. So before I move forward, so I request you all that please subscribe to this channel so that you get future notification updates. Okay. And now, I'll tell you that with this deck, we'll discuss the fundamentals, some concepts, and then we will do the practical side by side as well. Okay, so without much ado, let's get started. All right, so now first we will understand what are the key components in Google Ads campaign. Okay, so we need to understand the foundation of Google Ads. What is the first component? The first and foremost component is keywords. Okay, so this is the extremely important foundation of a successful Google Ads campaign. Now you might be wondering how this can be a successful foundation of a Google Ads campaign. Ideally, the most important foundation of any successful Google Ads campaign lies in selecting the right keywords. Okay, so now you might be wondering how can you select the right keywords? If you want to select the right keywords, okay, so what happens is context and relevance are extremely vital. Okay, so in this situation, you have to leverage the various match types which can strategically ensure that your ads are shown to user with high intent. Okay, so we have completed the slide number 2. Now we will do the practical as well. Okay, let's get started. Open ads.google.com, then click on sign in. Okay, I click on sign in, then select your Google Ads account. Okay, I select this. All right, now then you have to click on the campaigns tab. Okay, click on campaigns. Okay, so here you have the list of all campaigns which were previously created. Okay, then you have to click on plus icon, plus icon. Okay, to create a new campaign. Right, now you have first we have to create the keyword report, right? So click on tools and settings. Okay, all right, so I click on tools and settings, then click on planning. Okay, so here it is. I click on planning, then click on keyword planner. Okay, then click on keyword planner. Right, now once you're on keyword planner, then select your account name. Okay, here you will have two options: discover new keywords, get search volume, and forecast. Okay, so now you will understand what keywords your competitors are targeting as well, right? So Here you have to click on discover new keywords. Okay, so now we'll open google.com backslash references, click on other settings. Okay, so then you change the region, say it as United States. Okay, so now open Google US, new type as POS system for restaurants. Okay, now let's understand what keywords Toast tab is targeting, right? So copy this URL over here. Okay, all right, so I hope this is pretty easy to understand, guys. Okay, then you have to click on start with the website. Okay, start with the website. Okay, use only this page, select use only this page. Okay, all right, then click on get results. All right, get results, then click on this icon, click on and download the keywords into .csv file. Okay, download the file here. Okay, so now we will select the keywords which has decent search volume here, right? So see, this is pause for restaurant. Okay, so we will highlight this particular keyword here. Point of sale system for restaurant, this is 720. Okay, highlight this keyword here. We are doing the keyword filtering part. Pause software for restaurant, 720. Okay, all right, so point of sales for restaurant, 880. Okay, POS machine for restaurant, 320. Restaurant software, 880. Okay, restaurant management software, this is 590. POS system, 4400. Okay, POS software 2900, right? Point of sale system, this is 4400. Oh, we'll set one more is POS system software. Okay, clear? So we have done the keyword filtering part. All right. I hope this is pretty easy to understand. Any doubts, any questions, you can please ask in the comments. I would be happy to help you all. Okay. Now, what we'll do is we'll go back to this slide. Okay. So we are discussing the example of point of sale system for restaurants, right? So what happens is like for any restaurant point of sale system, you can consider keywords like restaurant POS system, best POS for eateries, or POS software for food businesses. What happens is this will actually ensure your ads reach those effectively seeking solution in the restaurant industry, right? So this is what you have to consider, correct? Okay, so now let's go to the slide number 4. So what happens is Google AI machine learning actually understand the user intent. Okay, and they basically emphasize the importance of aligning keywords with user search queries, right? So Google recommendations can actually guide you in creating content that will solve the problem and addresses users questions throughout their customer journey, right? Okay, so now you understand this concept, then let's go back to slide number 5. It's all about branded search campaign, right? So in that particular situation you have to create a branded search campaign. Okay, it could be your restaurant POS to capture the user specifically searching for your brand, right? So how do you do that? Basically, you have to monitor brand reviews, or you could tailor your campaign to address various user search intent at different path of customer journey. Correct? So we have completed just slide number 5, understood the concepts. Now we will move to the practicals. Okay. Click on plus icon, then click on create campaign. Okay. See, create campaign. Select your account. Okay. Here you have different options: sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, reach, awareness, and consideration. Okay, local store visits and promotion. So you select here as leads. Okay. Okay. Leads. Click on continue. Then select a campaign type. Click on search. Okay. Click on search over here. So what do you get? Select the ways you like to reach a goal. Okay, so you say here as website visits. Okay, now let's add the website visit here. Okay, so let's try to understand that. Okay, add the URL. Okay, so website visits, campaign name, find the campaign name as MacOS. Click on continue. Okay, click on start new. What do you want to focus on? Find a bidding strategy. Okay, so you have multiple options: conversions, clicks, right? Impressions, conversion value. Okay, so we want to improve the CTR, so we'll say here as clicks. Okay, set a maximum cost per bid limit. I'll say here as 500 rupees. Okay, set a maximum cost per click bid limit. Okay, then click on next. Uncheck display network. Okay, include Google search partners. Okay, select your location to target. I'll see as New York. Target New York, United States, English. Okay, yeah, so audience segment, here it is. You can define the audience segment also. For now, we will opt for keywords targeting. Okay, so observation is recommended. Okay, then click on next. Okay, Here it is. Okay. So we'll go back to the sheet here. Copy this keyword. Pause for restaurant. Okay. Then copy this point of sale systems for restaurants. Phrase match keywords. Or software for restaurant. Okay, let's pause software for restaurant. Okay, so point of sales for restaurants. Okay, point of sales for restaurants. POS machine for restaurant. POS machine for restaurant. Restaurant software. Okay, restaurant software. Restaurant management software. These are phrase match keywords, right? Restaurant management software. POS systems. We'll give this here exact match. POS system is exact match here. POS software. Exact match. Okay, and we'll give one more. Point of sale systems. Okay, so we have selected the keywords here, right? So here it is, see, any keyword which is not having any symbol, like phrase, it doesn't have. So this is broad match. Okay, so here it is. These are called as phrase match, and if any keyword which is having brackets is exact match. So we will have a combination of phrase match and exact match here, right? Click on view, apply. Okay, so now we have broad match, right? So here it is. These are repeated keywords here. Okay, so let's this over here. Okay, right. So we will only have the combination of phrase match and exact match here. Correct? So that's perfectly fine. All right. So this is how it is. Okay. So we'll take one more keyword over here. POS system software. Okay. So guys, you have any queries, any questions, you can please ask me. Okay. Right. So now we have added the keywords here. Okay. Now let's define the display path. Okay, you see here as Mac US. Okay, okay. You can add a contact number here, right? So if now we have to add headlines. Let's add headlines here. Okay, let's do that. Okay, headlines. Now let's analyze which keywords we have targeted here, right? POS system software. POS system software. Next headline will add. Okay, the idea is POS software. Point of sale system, we add that over here. Okay, point of sale systems, we add here. POS system software, we add here that as well. We add POS for restaurant. Okay, POS for restaurant. All right, yep, clear. Add point of sale system for restaurants. Okay, let's to see some other keyword over here. POS software for restaurant. Okay, We'll add those targeted keywords here. Best POS for restaurant. Best. Okay, so I think 5 headlines are sufficient here. Okay. So these are actually called as responsive search ads. So what happens is in this situation, Google Ads will try to fetch the content from your landing page. Okay. So here it is. See. Now, if we have used this URL snack POS, okay, so Google has fetched the description from the landing page. Will beat any price, guaranteed. See it in action and learn how can you run your restaurant efficiently, right? So we can add. Okay, so now we'll go to Google Bard. Write description in 90 characters. Okay, for snack POS. Write a prompt in Google Bard. Okay, go over here, right? Okay, all in one, ordering for hungry customers, online delivery, dine in, pay, all in all in one platform. Let's check this from the URL. Character count online. So we have to fit in 90 characters, right? It's 91. Now it is 90 characters. We go this dash. Okay. This. Here it is. Okay. Right. Now we will go back to ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. here chat.openai. Okay, so now we will access the AIPRM extension. Okay, here it is. Type here as Google Ads, headlines and description. Okay, add your topic or keyword. See here as POS system for restaurants. Okay, so here we have titles, topics. Okay, once again, guys. Okay, this is amazing. You could see this. We're having different character also, right? Wow, this is awesome. Okay, you see a revolution of restaurant with a smart POS system, boost efficiency and profits. Copy this from here. Okay, we had one more 90 characters description here. Digitize your dining experience. Discuss the future of POS for restaurants right now. Add one more. You can use ChatGPT over here as well. Right? Transform your business with next gen POS. Pause orders. Happy to revenue more. Okay. More revenue. Just customize. Okay. We have headlines ready. So we can add site links also. Okay. Then enter the description with reference from AIPRM extensions. Okay. Got it? It's easy. Now we can add site links. Okay. Maximize performance plus site links. Click on create. Click on kitchen display system. Click on URL. Click on create. Okay, so here it is. Kitchen display system. If you like to edit something, you can add some information here. Click on edit icon. Line 1, kitchen display system. Okay, you can take the same text and just usually edit a bit. It's 35 characters. Right, description, write a prompt to ChatGPT for kitchen display system in 35 characters. Okay, so get it from here. Clear? Yes, I hope this is very easy. Using AI, you can do a lot of work. Then click on refresh, effortless kitchen coordination. Okay, once you do this is also ready. Then click on save. Okay, we'll add one more site link here. Click on create site link text. We'll go back to handheld POS. And held POS. Copy the URL over here. So write description for handheld POS in 35 characters. Okay, write this prompt. Okay, so copy this. Okay, remove this, remove this. Sales on the go. Okay, sales on the go. Full stop. Okay, I'll refresh. We'll take one more. Mobile sales web service. Copy this. Web service. And then we click on create. Okay, and click on save. We have two site links now. We're good to go with the campaign here. Okay, so add headlines, right? So right now we need to make sure ad strength is pretty interesting, right? Include popular keywords, view ideas. So what we can do is add headlines, unique view ideas here. Okay, let's see the suggestions given by Google. Okay, right, so we'll make the ad strength pretty interesting as well. Okay, all right, so we'll make the interesting. Okay, so now we can add callout extension as well. Okay, so can improve your responsive ads, get more clicks on ad by improving the headlines and description. So you say plus 10.7%. Apply this recommendation. So Google gives the recommendations here, right? So you just try and understand. Add callouts plus 2.8%. Add site links. Okay. So now we will also add callouts here. Plus callouts. Okay, so what is telling us campaign level callouts? You need to add callout to this campaign. Any callout added here can be used across the campaign here. Correct? Okay. So click on plus new callout. Okay, so here it is. Now go back to ChatGPT. All right. Okay, so just wait for a second, guys. Call out. Google Ads call out extensions here, right? Product or service you're selling. We'll say Mac US. Okay, so it will give us call out extension here. Wow, this is amazing. Yes. What we'll do is we'll copy this in Notepad first. Okay. Copy this. Mouth watering white. Okay. Next call out extension is quick snack fix. Control C. 2. Okay, next call out extension is delicious breaks. Delicious breaks. Next call out extension is snack sensations. Okay, so these are the examples of call out extension, right? So then you click on save. Okay, apply. Okay, so you increase your campaign optimization score. Okay, then you click on done. So here it is. Update keyword suggestions. You update the keyword suggestion. Yes, replace. See, first thing is you have to do testing when you're doing Google Ads campaign, right? You have to update the keyword suggestions here. Okay. So diversify. Keep some phrase match. Keep some broad match. Keep some exact match. Phrase match. Keep. Then you understand how the campaign is performing. If you're getting any irrelevant clicks, you can put them into negative search. Okay. So long tail keywords, popular POS system for restaurants, computer systems. Okay. Point of sale. Okay. Cool. This is no. Okay. So here it is. We are on 80.4%. Then you click on next. You have to keep on testing your ad copies, your call out extension, everything. So you have an estimated budget here. Okay. So average daily budget is 5,000 rupees, and in that 5,000 you get 272 clicks. Average CPC is 128.69. Weekly cost is 35,000. Right? So you set up a budget. Okay. So it's 5,000 rupees. At 5,000 rupees, you have weekly clicks is 273. Average CPC 128. Weekly cost is 35k. Right? Then you click on next. The campaign is ready to publish. Okay. Confirm. Now you have the access to the campaign and you have to do the, it is 6, I have to enter. Once again, guys, we'll ask them to resend it. Resend. Here it is. Now we're going to get the code. Yes, it's me. 17. Oh, oh, it's a different number. Resend. Yes, it's me. 1. Okay, so this is done. So once a campaign is ready, right? So what is the logic here is, you can optimize a campaign, right? There are two processes involved in Google Ads. One is creation of the campaign, one is optimization of campaign. Once a campaign goes live, right? So let's see, keep it for a week or so. Once the data starts coming in from the server, then you start optimizing the campaign. Start refining your ad copy, start refining your keywords. Okay, keep adding the extensions, caller extensions, citing extension. You can add the phone numbers, right? So it's all about testing and then just coming up with the winning combination. So this is all about Google Ads. Okay, I hope this is pretty clear. So we have just make sure that campaign is live and it is going to be published now in few minutes as well. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, any comments, please ask me. I would be happy to help you all. And I would like to thank you for your valuable time for attending the session. Okay, and the campaign will be published in few minutes. So with this, I end my today's session.